Hello everyone, I greet you all. Welcome back again to my channel. This is Meche, Bett&win. I want to show you this few options on how to get over 1.5 with this multi-goals option. This is very simple. Multi-goals option. How to use it to get over 1.5 on different leagues apart from League 1 and Serie A. But even if you want to play it on League 1, you don't play it in the morning. You just play it around that kind afternoon or midnight on League 1. But other ones you can play it. This option is like this. In case you never subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. Alright, let me show you the option. The option is multi-goal option. This is the multi-goal option. So this multi-goal option is like this. For example, you see any odd here with 14.50 or 13.50 or 11.50. You see it here, or 12.50. What you do is, and you look 1 to 2 goals. 1 to 2 goal option. You see like 1.85, 1.86, or 1.95, 1.97, 1.99, 1.91. Then you see other odds, as I mentioned earlier, 14.50, 12.50, 13.50, 11.50, and so on, apart from other odds. Choose only these ones I mentioned: 14.50, 13.50, 12.50, 11.50. Then you go and play it direct over 1.5, not over 2.5. Over 1.5 will work well for this. Over 1.5 will work well for this. Then, when you are not going to play this, like when you play it under 3.5, is anytime you open table of any team. This is what I mean by table. Anytime you open their table. Now the option I want to show you now, the points are not here yet. Like when they are on their new league, when they have started their new league, this option works perfectly. Then when they are on their when they are on their new league, when they are playing on their new league, when they start their new league, this option I'm showing you now work perfectly for over 1.5 because they bring more goals on this option that time. But when you open table like this, you begin to see like you see something like this. You see the points. See here, no much goals, no one reach 5 goals here. So this, once you see something like this, you know that there is no much goal during this period. But when you come, like you see some have reached 5 minutes, have reached 5 goals. For example, you see Liverpool reach 5 goals, or Man City, or Man U, or Chelsea, or Brighton, Leicester City, Southampton, Tottenham, Arsenal, or others have reached 5 goals. Like you see, like 3 teams or 4 teams have reached 5 goals. There's more goals then. But when you come here, see all these points. You see points here. This place, the right PTS is point. So when you see numbers like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 0 down, you know that they have started their new league. Then that period is when you need to stake on over 1.5 using this option that I just teach you now. It's working perfectly. That is the best time. Remember, I told you that all these have best time to pick them. depending the option you want to play on it. If you want to play over goals have time to pick them for you to get what you want. In case you don't understand this teaching more, that you want it to be private for you, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 070 36760527. 070 36760527. This is Meche. WhatsApp number in case you want me to teach you here this privately. I teach it privately. I don't teach it in a group. I teach it privately in the way you understand it, in case you want to understand it more. But don't forget that it's not for free if you want me to teach you privately. So this option here is working perfectly. This is the option you use to get over 1.5, and it's working perfectly when they started their new league, and also work perfectly when you come on the table here. You see like 4 or 5 teams have 5 winnings. All of them have 5 winnings. Then you choose the ones that have like 3 lose or 4 lose. You choose them as over 1.5. You also choose those ones with 5 goals as over 1.5. Once you see that the team they are playing with has lose, and the other one has 5 winning, the other one have lose, you play it over 1.5 through this strategy that I showed you earlier. This is how it works very perfectly for over 1.5. All right, this is Meche Bett&win. Our WhatsApp number still remains 070 36760527. I repeat, 070 36760527. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next on the next video.